Hi, good morning students. This is Professor A.Z. Reddy. Welcome to my e-learning class. So in this class, we are supposed to discuss the next part of portfolio management. So in yesterday's class, we'll discuss the Sharpe index and trainer index. Now we'll move to the question. Alpha and beta coefficient for 5 stocks are given below. So stocks and alpha beta is given here. Stocks name is Kraft Car Company, Crown Car Company, Courtesy Company, Cute Company and Cure Company. So here alpha is given and beta is given. So alpha 1, 1.35, 1.18, 1.25, 1.5 and beta is 0.8, 1.15, 1.25 and 0.95, 1.14. Rank these 5 stocks by using Jensen performance measure. Yesterday's class I have given the formulas of Jensen index. There are 2 formulas are there. But in this problem, what we are supposed to do, it is a very simple formula to apply the Jensen index, that is alpha divided by beta. So in this problem, if the question is asked for this, so what we should do, alpha divided by beta should be made. So here, now just I will mark here, just concentrate. Okay, now just move that. From Corp company, alpha is 1 and beta is 0.8. So what we should do, 1 divided by 0.8. What is the answer? 1.25. Similarly, Crown company, 1.35 is alpha, 1.15 is beta. So 1.35 divided by 1.5 is 1.17. Similarly, Courtesy company, 1.18, 1.25. The answer is 0.94. Similarly, Cute company, 1.25, 0.95. The answer is 1.315. Here the Cure company 1.5 divided by 1.44. The answer is 1.07. So this is very easy problem, I think so. So alpha divided by beta ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So alpha ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, beta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ alpha divided by beta ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So according to this question, which one is selected first? Cute company is selected at first, and second Kraft company is selected, and the third one is Crown company is selected, and Cure company is selected, and Courtesy company is selected. So this is the method to find out the Jensen index if the question is asked alpha and beta. Okay, next, this is the first problem. Now we'll move on to the next question and this one. Okay, from the following table, consider the portfolio return and market return. Rank the performance according to Jensen differential return. So what information is given? I'll mark. Okay, portfolio is given, return on portfolio is given, beta is given, RF is given. RF means risk-free security. A portfolio, B, C, and market index is given. RP is given A, B, C, and D. 15, 12, 15, and 12. Beta is given 1.2, 0.8, 1.5, 1.0. RF is 5. With this, what we should do? We have to calculate the Jensen index. So Jensen formula is, this is the first formula of Jensen. R is equal to RF plus beta into RM minus RF. So what is RF here? RF is risk-free security. Then beta is given market risk. Beta means market risk. Beta market risk. RM is market return. Okay, that is market index. RF is given. So portfolio A is to be calculated. A calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ RF ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5. This is common. 5 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 5 plus what is beta here? Beta of A is 1.2. So 1.2 is taken into 12. What is 12? Market return 12. This is common for all. 12. So 12 is taken. So 12 minus 5. 5 is RF. So 5 plus 1.2 into 7. The answer should be 13.4. This is portfolio A. Similarly, portfolio B. First ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ RF 5 ಇದಂತೂ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. RF is 5 plus beta is 0.8 into what is RP 12 minus 5. So the answer should be 10.06. So no really. What we should do here, RF plus beta into RM minus RF ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. RF is 5%, that is risk free, plus beta of A is 1.2, then RP of A is 12. So 12 minus 5, 12 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಐತಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬಿನು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಸಿ here RF 5% as it is. Next 1.5, so what is 1.5? C's return is 1.5 into 12.5, so the answer should be 15.5. Here therefore Johnson differential return can be calculated with the help of return. So according to this, so what should be the answer here? Now portfolio A, Johnson return should be made according to this. So RP of A is 15, B is 12, C is 15. So expected returns have come 13.4, 10.6 and 15.5. So similarly what we should do here, portfolio A 15 is taken. Why it is 15 taken? A's portfolio 15 is here. So 15 minus 13.4. What is 13.4? Expected return. So that's why 15 minus 13.4 is 1.6. Similarly B's 12 is actual return given in the problem. So actual return minus expected return is really 10.6. So the answer should be 1.4. Similarly portfolio C 15.5 is the expected return. Then what is our actual return? Here ಬಂದದ್ದು 15.5 ಬಂದೈತಿ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 15. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 15 minus 15.5 is minus 0.5. So by this we have to make the rank. So rank ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is first 1.6 and this one is second 1.4 and this one is third 10.5. Among these three security, which one is selected? First portfolio A is selected, then portfolio B is selected, then portfolio C is selected. This is the method to calculate the Johnson differential return. So formula is very important here. This is the formula, RF plus beta into RM minus RF. By this what the answer should be there? Expected return should come. Actual return is given in the problem. So expected return and actual return ಎರಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ರೀ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿನ ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಜನ್ಸನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್. ಸೊ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡಿ, ಜನ್ಸನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ RF plus beta into RM minus RF. RF is risk free security, then beta is taken. RM means market return and RF is risk free security. So that is to be calculated. This is another problem, problem number 68. Continue. Next question, from the table provides the details about 3 portfolios. Find out difference between actual and expected return. Just now I said expected return and actual return. Problem ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್, ನೀವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್. ಸೊ ಅವು ಎರಡರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ಜನ್ಸನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಜನ್ಸನ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಇದು ಎ, ಇದು ಬಿ, ಇದು RF ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಎದ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ 15 ಅದ, ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ B the return beta, this is portfolio beta. So here just concentrate, this is A's actual return, this is beta, this is risk free security. So the concept should be wrong here. This one is called as beta, idu beta anta karitevu, idu return, okay. RP, this is called as RP, okay. This is RP, this is beta and this is RF. I hope you can understand, okay. RP, beta and RF. By this we have to start now. Jensen differential return formula is RF plus beta into RM minus RF. So what is RF? 6 is RF. So we'll mark, okay. RF is 6%, okay. So 6% plus, what is 1.3 here? Beta is 1.3. Beta into, see the formula, RF plus beta into RM minus RF. So into 11. What is 11? Market index is 11. This is 11, okay. 11 8 note. So 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6. So what we should get here? The answer should be 12.5. How it is 12.5? See, RF is 6, beta is 1.3 into RM is 11 minus 6. So the answer should be 12.5. Similarly, B's RF is 6 as it is taken, and beta is 0.9 into 11 is market index minus 6. So the answer is 10.5. Similarly, C, 6 is RF plus 1.6 is beta into RM is 11 minus RF is 6. The answer should be 14. Okay. So I'll repeat once again here. RF of A is 6 plus beta is 1.3 into RM is 11. This one is our market index 11 minus 6. So answer is 12.5. So B the security node RF estada 6 plus beta estada 0.9 into what is RM 11 minus 6. So the answer should be 10.5. Similarly, C, RF is 6 plus beta is 1.6 into RM is 11 minus 6. So answer should be 14. U Henry, expected return. See the word, I will repeat once again. Here these are called as actual return. You know, ಮೂರು actual return ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು 15, 12, 18 ಇವು actual return problem ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. Then what about these three? These three are called as expected return. ಇವು ಮೂರು ಏನ್ರಿ expected return. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this one minus this one ಮೂರು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೇನು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ರೀ ಆನ್ಸರ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ actual return minus expected return ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So come to the point, formulas. Portfolio A 15 minus 12.5. 15 ಯಾವುದು actual return, this one is 15 minus what is 12.5? 12.5 is portfolio A. So the answer should be 2.5. So what about B? 12 is actual return. Then what about expected return? 10.5. So the answer is 1.5. Then what about actual return of C? 18 minus what is the answer? 14. So how much will get? 4. So by this, see here, 15 is actual return given in the problem. 12.5 is expected return calculated. So by this, how much should be answer? 2.5. ಇದು ಏದು ಬಿದ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ 12, ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟದ 10.5. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 1.5. ಸಿ ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನಾಗ 18 ಐತಿ, ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು 14. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 4. ಈಗ ಇವು ಮೂರದೊಳಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್. ಅಮಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ portfolio C is selected. This one is selected. Why? Because its earning is more. Then which is second one? A. Portfolio A, because it is 2.5. Then portfolio C. This one is the answer. Okay. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. RF ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಇಂಟು ಬೀಟಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, RM minus RF. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 61. Move on to the next question. Problem number 62. With the given details, evaluate the performance of different fund by using Sharpe, Trainer and Jensen. This is very important. ಮೂರು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಮೂರು ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ ಇದ್ರು. With the given details, evaluate the performance of different fund by using Sharpe index, Trainer index and Jensen index. So fund is given, return is given, standard deviation is given, beta is given. Fund A, B, C and D. Return 2, 12, 8, 9. Standard deviation is 20, 18, 22, 24. Beta is 0.98, 0.97, 1.17, 1.22. Risk-free rate of return is 4. With this, we have to calculate. What is the calculation? 3 important performance we have to calculate. One is Sharpe index, second one is Trainer index, and the third one is Johnson index. Before move on to the problem, I will explain the formulas first without just concentrate. What is the formula of Sharpe index? Yesterday's class only I told. Sharpe index ST is equal to RP minus RF divided by standard deviation P. What is Trainer index? RP minus RF divided by beta P is taken. What is Johnson index? RF plus beta into RM minus RF. This is the formula. You more apply madonili. Come to the first. I'll take the mark. Okay. First, note really Sharpe index anta kya. What is the formula of Sharpe index? RP minus RF divided by standard deviation. So the RP 2 kottar problem nalli minus RF andra risk free 4. So divided by what is standard deviation 20. So the answer should be 0.1. Bid 12 is the RP and 4 is the RF. No really. This problem kottirtare 1 A. 2 is return RP. RF is 4. So 2 minus 4 divided by 20 is standard deviation. So the answer should be 0.1. B 12. B the 12 is RP minus RF is 4. This is the same irtati. Divided by 18 is the standard deviation. Similarly C 8 is the RP minus RF is 4 divided by 22. So the answer should be 18. D 9 is RP minus 4 is RF divided by 24. So the answer should be 0.208. C RP first one 0.1 answer, second one 0.44, third one 0.18, fourth one 0.208. So according to our concept, which one is selected? Highest means B. According to Sharpe index, B is selected. And then B, D, then C, then A. Okay, B, D, C, A. This is the method to select the fund according to Sharpe index. Sharpe index prakara B, C, D, A na select ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು highest return. Now conclusion ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. According to Trainer index, what is the formula of Trainer index? RP minus RF divided by beta. So ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಟಾ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಉಳ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. RP is same, RF is same. Only one thing is instead of standard deviation, this one is selected beta. ಇವು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇವು ನಾಲ್ಕರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಏನನ್ನ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಬೀಟಾನ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ RP ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಏದು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ RP is 2. I will mark and tell. Okay. The RP is 2, RF is 4 divided by beta is 0.98. For example, I will mark here 2 divided by 2 minus 4 divided by 0.98. 0.98. Okay. Just see here because answer right now 2 minus 4 divided by 0.98 like this. 2 minus 4 divided by 0.98. Similarly B 12 minus 4 divided by 0.97. Similarly C 8 minus 4 divided by 1.7. Similarly D 9.4 divided by 1.22. So the answer should be there. See, according to Sharpe index, B is selected. Now just see that according to Trainer index, here also B is selected because B gives 8.25 here highest. Next, second D is selected 4.1. Next 3.42 C is selected. Next A. So B, D, C, A according to Trainer index. Both formula is different. Sharpe index formula is RP minus RF divided by standard deviation. Then what about Trainer index? Trainer index formula is RP minus RF divided by beta P is taken. So conclusion is written. Now the third, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಜನ್ಸನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕೇರ್. ಸಿ ಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಜನ್ಸನ್ performance index. So according to Johnson performance index, formula is this one is the formula. ಏನಂತೈತಿ RP, Johnson RP plus beta. This is not RP, this is RF plus beta into RM minus RF. Okay, RF plus beta into RM minus RF. See, one ನಿಮಿಷ. Yes, RF, this is RF. First A is RF 4. Why it is 4? Because see here, risk free rate of return is 4 RF. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ RF 4 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So come to the point. 4 plus 0.98, beta is 0.98 given in the problem, 0.98. Okay, next into RM minus RF. So what is RM? 11 minus RF 6. 11 minus 6 is how much? 5. I think they make the wrong answer here. They directly multiplied with RF here. This is wrong actually. I will make one formula, one sentence, and you can do that. 4 is RF plus 0.98 is beta into RM is 11, it is fixed, minus what is RF 4. This one is first. ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. RF plus beta into RM minus RF. ಇದು ಒಂದನೇದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. RF is 4 means ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ B, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 4 is RF plus beta is 0.97 into RM is 11 minus 4. This one is B's. Now C, RF is 4 plus beta is 1.17 into RM is 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4. So answer should be there. ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, RF is 4 plus beta is 0.98 into ಇಲ್ಲಿ RM minus RF ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. RM ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು 11 minus 4 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ್ರಿ 5. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 5 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, RF plus beta into RM minus RF. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಜನ್ಸನ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ. Why? Because in this RM is not taken. Please understand the word. You can change only RM. ಅದನ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ 6 year are given below. Growth fund return risk. First firm fund, second diamond fund, silver fund, treasury bill. Return is given 16, 14, 13, 8. Risk is 15, 17, 10, 8. Rank the fund according to Sharpe index of performance. Sharpe index ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬಿಡಿಸು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Sharpe index ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತೂ ಐತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ Sharpe index ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. RP minus RF divided by standard deviation. This is the formula. So RP is given 16 minus RF is given 8 divided by standard deviation is 15. So the answer is 0.533. RP is of diamond is 14, RF is 8, 17. So answer is 0.35. RP is 13 of silver minus 8 divided by 10. So the answer is 0.5. So security is first, then second, then third. This is the method. See here. RP is 16. ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ. RP is 16. RF is treasury bill 8 means 16 minus 8. Okay, then what is standard deviation? 15 here, 15. This is the first. Okay, so ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Next second, RP is 14 minus RF is 8 divided by 17. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿವಲ್ಲಿ. Now third one, RP is 13 minus RF is 8 divided by 10. So this is the third one. Okay, ಇದು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫರ್, second one is silver, and third one is diamond. So this is the problem. Move on to the next problem. Rank 3 funds given below information by using Sharpe index and Trainer index. Growth fund is given, return is given, beta is given, standard deviation is given. Fund X, Y, Z, and RF is risk free. This is very important. 9 RF is important. Beta is given 1.5, 1.6, 0.75, then standard deviation 12, 14, 11. By this, what we have to calculate? Sharpe and Trainer ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಶಾರ್ಪೆ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್. ಶಾರ್ಪೆ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನದ? ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ 15, ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ 9, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 1.5. ಸೊ 15 minus 9 divided by 12. See, 15 minus 9 divided by 12. So answer is 0.5. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದನೇದಾಯಿತು. ಬೀಟಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ, ಬಿ ಎರಡನೇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 17. ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 17? ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ 17 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ 9 divided by standard deviation is 14. So the answer is 0.57. Similarly, third one, RP is 13. See here, 13 minus RF is 9 minus 9 divided by standard deviation is 11. So the answer is 0.36. So by this, which one is selected now? First one. How select ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? According to this, B is first, then A is second, then C is third. So this is the formula problem. Okay. Then same problem, they are asking trainer index as well. According to trainer index, what is the formula? RP minus RF divided by beta. So RP is 15 given in the problem, RF is 9, beta is 1.5. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬೀಟಾ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿರಿ. ದೀಸ್ 3 ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಬೀಟಾಸ್. ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀ? ಶಾರ್ಪೆಗಿದು. ಇದು ಬೀಟಾ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀ? ಟ್ರೈನರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಪೆ ST ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ TN. ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿರಿ. ST ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಪೆ, TN ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೈನರ್. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬೀಟಾ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಬೀಟಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್? C is first, then A is second, then C is third. So this is the problem. So up to 64th problem I have solved. Remaining problem I will discuss on next class. So overall, I will repeat once again just formulas. Just concentrate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನೀವು. First, Sharpe index formula ಏನ್ರಿ? RP minus RF divided by standard deviation. Trainer index formula ಏನ್ರಿ? RP minus RF divided by beta. Then third one, Jensen index, RF plus beta into RM minus RF. Okay. Please subscribe the channel and see the video till the end and comment. Thank you.